kaibigan! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog mga kaibigan, magtatanim po ako ng chard. Similarity of pak choy po siya or parang cabbage. I'm not sure if you recognize this one, guys. And also climbing beans. Ayan po yung tatanim natin. Hope you all well po mga kaibigan. Is another plantings or sowing seeds din po tayo ulit. Ito po yung gagawin ko today. I'm already prepared some pot in here. I need to recycle the old pot that I used from the plants last time po. Old pot po siya. Plastic container. So I already laid out there on the table. Ayan po. Ayan na po siya. And also, I'm using plastic container from fruits po. Raspberry and blueberries. I keep them because they have a hole on the bottom. So, i-recycle lang po natin. We need to improvise po mga kaibigan. So, yan lang po yung available materials that I needed to plant. So, samahan niyo po ako magtatanim today mga kaibigan. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Magandang araw at saka magandang gabi to all of you. Ayan na po mga kaibigan. Umpisa na po natin ang pagtatanim mga kaibigan. Mega love shout out to everyone, especially po sa aking mga organic subscriber and new subscriber. Lalo na po sila ni Manong Tagabarrio, Innocentisa America, Mitch TV, Gardening Houseplants, Mommy Bern, and also Annalyn TLs. Marami pa po si Mommy Mills, The Singing Plant Modra, and also Proudly Mommy's Vlog. Marami pa po tayong mga legit friend. Mega love shout out to po sa inyo, lalo na po si Mommy, lalo na po pala si si kaibigan Maris Juan, mga legit nating mga organic friend, Mommy Alms, yan sila ni Mommy Mills. Marami po tayong mga kaibigan. Kung sino pa po hindi ko po napa-shout out, pasensya na po. You know who you are. Mega love shout out to all na lang po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aking munting channel po. Sana po hindi po kayo magsasawa po sa aking panunood ng aking mga videos. Okay, mga kaibigan, umpisa na po natin ang pagtatanim. Ayan po, dito na po tayo sa conservatory ni Alaga. Kasi si Alaga po ay tulog. So, she having afternoon nap. So, mayroon po tayong time na magtatanim today. So, ito po yung tatanim po natin. Mga kaibigan, tapos na po ako maglagay po ng soil sa ating mga pot. Pasensya na po, I thought my video is running when I started refill this compost soil to our plastic container. So, I realized hindi pa pala naka-play yung ating video. Pasensyahan nyo na po mga kaibigan. But update, I managed to refill them, all the plastic container, and it's ready to be planted sa ating climbing beans. Ayan po. We got lots of seeds po dito. This is the seeds mga kaibigan. Ang gagawin po natin mga kaibigan, just put some seed, this big one. I'll put 3 each. Some people mga kaibigan, what they did, they soak the beans for overnight to soften the shell so that it grows quicker po. So, for me today, I just direct to the soil. I'm gonna plant this best I can with this mga kaibigan because some of the seeds I can take to back home to our allotment so that we don't need to plant some more seeds for our French beans there to be planted. Because I got loads of seeds already here. That's idea. I can sow French beans here already, and we can prepare all the soil there in our allotment. And what I'm gonna do, I put some of here, mga kaibigan.
Falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous. Together
That's it, mga kaibigan.
I don't know for sure.
Maybe I'll put some more of there.
This feels like the sweetest breath of air.
I'll put some more seeds there, mga kaibigan.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.
We have to, this is the recycle fruit storage. I just dump it, some of the seeds there, the leftover. That's it. And then I just put soil on top. Bit soil on top. Soil on top. And I'll get some water, the rainwater. That's it. And have some more soil on top. This is the French beans first, mga kaibigan. Okay? And then I'm gonna water them. Mga kaibigan, samahan niyo po ako sa gilid ng bahay ni Alaka. Ito po yung conservatory. Yun po yung ating mga tanim doon. Doon pa sa table. So we here at the side of the house, merong water po dito, rainwater. Ayan po siya. Clear naman po yung tubig. Tingnan niyo po mga kaibigan, na overflow na po siya. Ayan po yung gagamitin natin sa pagwater ng ating tanim doon. Pasok lang po tayo. And then we just put our camera there. Ayan. I-water lang po natin. Hindi pa. Ito na. We just water them. That's it, mga kaibigan. Ayan po mga kaibigan, tapos na po tayo sa pagtatanim dyan sa ating French beans. Ang next naman po natin gagawin yung ating charged plant seeds. Okay mga kaibigan, mag-recycle lang po tayo. Already some hot compost here. And we use this. Mga kaibigan. And then, we're gonna plant some chards. Dito po. I got some chards here. Yan po. This is the seed of chards, mga kaibigan. I just sprinkle them. There. Then, over some soil. That's it, mga kaibigan. And then we wait. Yan na po mga kaibigan. Ito na po yung ating mga tanim na French beans and also chard seeds. So we wait for to grow po. We need to wait for a week yata mga kaibigan. Let's see how it goes. So tingnan lang po natin day by day po kung ano po yung improvement ng ating mga seeds na we sow today. Thank you so much po mga kaibigan. Ito na po yung magtatapos ang ating munting vlog. Sowing French beans and also chard. If you like this video mga kaibigan, please give me a like, share, and comments. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Brit Pinay Journey. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also click the bottom bell so that you will be updated sa mga susunod ko pong na-upload na mga bagong video. Thank you so much to all my organic subscriber and new subscriber po. Hope na hindi po kayo magsasawa sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga videos mga kaibigan. Thank you so much po sa inyong love and support. Take care everyone and keep safe to all. And I'll see you soon mga kaibigan. Bye for now!